Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P0131 indicates a low voltage scenario in the air-fuel AF sensor circuit, specifically for sensor 1. This sensor is crucial for regulating the fuel-to-air mixture in the engine, which directly influences performance and emissions. In the 2016 to 2021 Honda Civic, the AF sensor is typically located in the exhaust manifold or close to the engine. It provides real-time data to the powertrain control module, PCM, enabling the engine to optimize fuel efficiency. When this DTC is triggered, it means the sensor isn't receiving or relaying appropriate voltage levels, which can lead to engine performance issues. To address this, correct diagnosis and troubleshooting protocol must be followed to either repair or replace the sensor or associated wiring. The AF sensor, also referred to as sensor 1, plays an essential role in managing how efficiently the engine operates. Its primary function is to monitor the air-fuel mixture entering the combustion chamber and communicate this information to the PCM. This allows the PCM to make necessary adjustments to the fuel injection system, ensuring optimal engine performance and reduced emissions. In the Honda Civic, sensor 1 is typically located upstream in the exhaust system, often integrated into the exhaust manifold. When the DTC P0131 is displayed, it indicates a malfunction within this sensor or its circuitry, which could prevent the engine from achieving ideal combustion ratios. Consequently, this may result in decreased fuel efficiency, increased emissions, or engine performance issues. Several underlying factors can lead to the P0131 DTC. Firstly, a faulty AF sensor is a common culprit. Over time, wear and tear can affect the sensor's ability to accurately measure exhaust gases, leading to low voltage readings. Secondly, problems could arise from wiring issues, such as frayed, corroded, or shorted wires in the circuit connecting the sensor to the PCM. These conditions can disrupt the flow of voltage, causing the low voltage signal the DTC indicates. Another potential cause is loose or poor connections at the PCM or the sensor itself. Such connections can result in intermittent signals that may be difficult to diagnose but can trigger this DTC when they occur. When DTC P0131 is present, the Honda Civic may exhibit several discernible symptoms. One of the most significant symptoms is engine performance issues, which can manifest as rough idling or decreased acceleration. This is primarily due to the engine not receiving accurate data regarding the air-fuel ratio, leading to suboptimal combustion. Additionally, increased fuel consumption is likely, as the engine may enrich the mixture to compensate for the perceived lack of fuel based on faulty sensor readings. In severe cases, the vehicle may also produce excessive emissions, potentially leading to validity issues during emissions testing. Drivers may notice a decrease in overall power or responsiveness, which can detract from the driving experience. To begin troubleshooting DTC P0131, the first step is to turn the vehicle ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Once the vehicle is in this mode, use the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS, to clear the DTC. This process resets the error code stored in the PCM, allowing for a fresh assessment. After clearing the code, start the engine and monitor the RPM. It is crucial to hold the engine speed at 3,000 RPM without load, such as when the vehicle is in neutral, until the radiator fan activates. This ensures that the system reaches operating conditions, effectively replicating the scenario under which the DTC was triggered. Finally, check for any confirmed or pending DTCs with the HDS to see if P0131 reappears. The next step involves checking the AF sensor's internal circuit. Begin by turning the vehicle ignition to the off lock position to ensure safety. Then, disconnect the 6P connector from the AF sensor. With the connector detached, it is essential to perform a continuity test between the specific terminals of the AF sensor connector and the vehicle's body ground. This test requires checking each terminal individually to determine if any have continuity when they shouldn't. A continuity reading at any terminal indicates a problem internally within the sensor. If such continuity exists, it is necessary to replace the AF sensor as it has failed to perform its function accurately. If continuity testing on the AF sensor revealed no issues, the next step involves checking for shorted wires in the circuit. To begin this procedure, jump the SCS line using the HDS and wait for more than 1 minute. This step prepares the system for testing. After waiting, the next action is to disconnect PCM connector number 1, which houses multiple critical connections for the vehicle's operation. Check for continuity between the relevant terminals at the disconnected AF sensor connector and PCM connector number 1. By assessing the connections, if continuity is found where it shouldn't be, this indicates a short in the wiring. The technician must then repair the shorted wires, connecting the AF sensor to the PCM to restore proper function. After completing the necessary repairs or replacements, a final verification must take place to ensure the issue has been fully resolved. Start by rechecking the DTC codes to confirm that P0131 has not reappeared. If all systems are functioning correctly, secure all connectors associated with the AF sensor and PCM. Ensuring these connections are tight is crucial, as loose connectors can trigger further issues down the line. Following this, a test drive is necessary to observe vehicle behavior under dynamic conditions. Monitor the engine's response during acceleration and various driving scenarios to ensure stable operation. Successful verification will confirm that the repairs have rectified the initial problem. To prevent recurring issues with DTC P0131 and ensure the longevity of vehicle components, it is essential to implement routine maintenance practices. Regular inspection of the AF sensor should be performed, as detecting wear and tear early can prevent major failures. Additionally, inspecting the wiring connected to the sensor is critical. Look for signs of fraying or corrosion that may lead to shorts or connectivity problems. Clean connectors to prevent dirt and moisture buildup, which can impede electrical connections. This proactive approach will not only help avoid potential DTC errors, but also improve overall engine performance and efficiency, contributing to a smoother driving experience. In summary, understanding and addressing DTC P0131 requires recognition of the symptoms and a methodical approach to troubleshooting. Early detection can lead to simpler solutions, whether it's a faulty sensor or an issue with wiring. Following the structured steps outlined ensures thorough diagnostics, helping to pinpoint the exact failure source. Additionally, ongoing maintenance is vital in preventing these issues from arising in the future. Keeping the AF sensor and associated wiring in good condition is crucial for maintaining engine performance. By adhering to these practices, Honda Civic owners can enjoy a smoother running engine and better drivability. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.